Survival in a Bag, Building a Bug-Out Bag and Preparedness 101. Thanks to reality television shows, many are interested in survival skills. Many TV networks are showing people being prepared for all sorts of disasters, from an earthquake to a global economic collapse to a tsunami. As people are becoming more uncertain about the future, they are looking for ways to be prepared. One of them is to have a bug-out bag. A bug-out bag is a bag or container containing everything that you need to survive for a minimum of 48 hours in your given environment. It contains food, water, a medical kit, a blanket or sleeping bag, and tools for shelter, such as a 50-gallon drum bag or a tarp. It also has fire starting and water purification items. Contrary to what television would have you believe, a bug-out bag is not restricted to a worst-case scenario. It can be kept in the car or truck and used during a snowstorm or a blackout, or even when you get a flat tire in the middle of nowhere and have to walk for help. A bug-out bag depends on the scenario and must be customized accordingly. But having one keeps you always prepared, just like the Boy Scouts motto. This course will teach you 1. How to select the appropriate backpack, rucksack, or container for your situation and environment. 2. How to select a water bottle, canteen, and water purification system that is best for your situation or environment. 3. How to select food for your bug-out bag, necessary for your survival during an emergency. 4. How to supplement your bug-out bag supplies using your environment, such as wild berries, frogs, and rabbits. 5. How to start a fire. 6. How to select appropriate clothing for your bug-out bag. 7. How to build a shelter from a tarp or a plastic bag or dead leaves and branches, as well as how to choose a first aid kit. 8. How to maintain proper hygiene in a survival situation. Who this class is for. It is for those looking to have a bug-out bag or preparing for an emergency. It teaches you basic survival skills, such as first aid, and how to pack a bug-out bag with all the essential equipment and food. Some basic survival skills are a plus, but not a prerequisite.